Hello everyone, in this video today we learn about changing decimal percentage into fractions. So we start from the first example, that will be 0.03%. So we change 0.03%. As usual, we have to multiply by divide by 100, So 0.03 divide by 100 to change percentage into fractions. But here is decimal, so we have to eliminate the decimal by multiplying multiple of 10, which has 2 zeros, that is 100. That will eliminate our decimal because there are two numbers after decimal, 0 and 3. So for those we need 100. The same thing also, we have to multiply the denominator by 100 because that will balance our fractions. So when we multiply 100 by 100, it is the same as multiplying by 1, which doesn't change its value. So 0.03 multiplied by 100 is 3 times, or it's 3, and 100 multiplied by 100 is 10,000. We know we have here 4 zeros, meaning 2 0, 2 0. They will give us 4 0 here. So that will be 10,000. Therefore, 0.03% when change into fraction, it will be 3 over 10,000. We cannot simplify because there is no common between 3 and 10,000. So we leave it as it is, 3 over 10,000. Continue the next example. Let's change 0.5%. So 0.5% when change into fraction, as usual, what we're going to do, we have to divide by 100. 0.5 divided by 100. Here the number after decimal point is only 1, so we have to have the multiple of 10, which has 1 0, that is 10. So the same thing, we have to multiply also the denominator by 10. So 0.5 multiplied by 10 is 5, and 100 multiplied by 10 is how many zeros? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 zeros. But here 5 and 1000, they have a common 5, so 5 can be divided by 5, and 1000 can be divided also by 5. So let's do 5 divided by 5 itself. So because the common between 5 and 1000 is 5 itself, over 1000 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is how much times? It's 1 time. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 time. And 1000 divided by 5 is 200. Our third example is 0.01. Again, here we have to divide by 100. So 0.01 over 100. So 0.01 after decimal place, it has two numbers. So we have to multiply by multiple of 10, which has 2 zeros, that's 100. The same thing, we multiply the denominator by 100 to keep the numbers, the value equal. So 0.01 by 100, we just eliminate the decimal. That eliminate the decimal because 2 zeros, the decimal will jump into the last by multiplying by 100. Okay, so 100 multiplied by 100. Here we have 1 2 3 4 zeros. So we have also here 1 2, 3, 4 zeros. That will be 10,000. So 0.01% when it change into fraction, 0.01%, 1 over 10,000. In the next video, don't hesitate to stop the video and try for yourself. Okay, the next example will be our fourth example, 0.25%. Change this into fraction. So as usual, we have to divide 0.25 with 100. So we multiply the numerator by 100. In the same way, we have to multiply the denominator by 100. So that will eliminate our decimal, and the 0.25 multiplied by 100 will be 25. The decimal will come out. So with these two zeros, this will 1, 2. Okay, so 100 times 100, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros here and 1. That will be 10,000. Now 25 and 10,000, they have common 25. So 25 can be divided by 25. How? 25 is common for them. Actually, the greater common factor. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. And 10, I think it is 10,000. Yeah, 10,000 divided by 25 is 400. So this is the simplest fraction that we can get when we change 0.25% into fraction. It is 1 over 400. 1 over 400. So the fifth example is 0.35%. Okay, 0.35%. We can divide 0.35 with 100. 0.35 multiplied by 100 over 100 multiplied by 100. 35 and 100 multiplied by 100 is 10,000 again. Okay, so 35 and 10,000, they have in common is 5, so we can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. So 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 10,000 divided by 5 is 2,000. Our last example will be changing 0.125%. Again, divide 0.125 by 100. So 0.125 divided by 100. Now here, after decimal, we have three numbers, 1, 2, 5. So we have to choose a multiple of 10 that have 3 zeros. That will be 1,000. So we have to multiply by 1,000, both numerator and denominator. So the 0.125 multiplied by 1,000, it will eliminate the decimal and change into 125. And for 100 multiplied by 1,000, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So we put our 5 zeros here with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fortunately, they have a common in both, that is 125. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 125. So 125 by 125 is 1 times, and 125 divided by 100,000 divided by 125 is 800. For you, try to this one, 0.45% into fraction. So how much will be 0.45%? Put your answer on the comment. Thank you for watching for today.